What an embarrassment, guys. Yes, this is the current state of my garden, and I am getting ready to do the first phase of my fall cleanup. I'm getting ready to clean out all my annuals, all the weeds, because trust me, you see the weeds? You see the weeds? Yes, so don't pay attention to that. Oh, look at this, by the way. This is a wild amaranth. I think that's how you pronounce it. This one has thorns, so you have to be careful. So what I'm going to do, first things first, I'm going to rip out all my Super Tunia Vistas, bubblegum, and silverberry. Rip everything out. My hibiscus, which was once beautiful, I'll insert a picture so you guys can see. She's starting to die back. The weather is very funny. Some days we have low 60s, the nights being the 50s, and some days like today is overcast. Today the high is 81, so I don't know what's going on with fall. However, I'm going to cut this back, leave this here because this is the space where it's going to stay. I'm going to cut my bee balms back. As you can see, they have powdery mildew and some other things. I'm also going to dig them out and move them because the hibiscus needs space, and if you look closely, they already started to die on the inside because they don't have enough space to expand and have airflow. So that's what I'm doing today. We'll be cleaning out this bed, putting down a fresh layer of compost. I use compost. I believe in feeding your soil and not your plants directly. You feed the soil will feed your plants, and you don't have to fertilize as much. So let's get started. Is what I have so far. The only thing left to do right now is put down a fresh layer of compost. I do not use mulch. I think I stated that before. I use compost because I have clay soil, so by adding the compost over the years, it works in, and you know, it improves the soil. So I cut back the hibiscus that was right here, and I also cut back the bee balm that I have right here. I'll be moving those, and I'm also digging up this sedum and this echinacea as well, and I'll be putting them elsewhere because I'm still working on this area, guys. So I'm digging those up and I'm putting them elsewhere. So the only thing that will be in this area is this hibiscus because it gets so huge, and then I always leave the front for annuals, and I plant tulips and stuff in between. So that's that. This bed looks so much better. This Gara right here needs to be cut back. I didn't cut it back yet because I still have to come back in this bed and do some more work. But the first phase of tearing out everything that needs to be taken out, all the annuals, are gone. This hibiscus, I will be doing the same thing that I did to the other hibiscus to this, but this is still blooming its head off. It still look amazing. So that's why this is still here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut it back and I'm going to dig it up and put it elsewhere, because this one, it's too big for this area. And I have another summerific hibiscus I would like to put in this area, because they are the same thing and they will give it a cohesive look in this front bed. So underneath the hibiscus, we have the obedient plant. It blooms white, and because the hibiscus is so vigorous, it sucks up all the nutrients and all the water away from the obedient plant. That's why they look like this, dried up and parched. So I'll be digging these up and putting them elsewhere as well, and put another hibiscus in this spot. And like I said, I will be leaving the front for annuals. I already have it planned out in my head what I want this front to look like next season. So, and in the back, that's my bird bath. In the back, I have my 3 hydrangeas, which, guys, these were the $3 hydrangeas. Look at, okay, that's a bug, but they put on fresh buds and blooms, guys. I can't believe this. They are happy in this location, but I am going to dig them up. Yes, I would like to put some pinky winky in this area. So I'm going to dig these up because I'm making another hydrangea hedge. So these will go with the hydrangea hedge. And I'm going to replace them with some pinky winkies. So this is the front bed. Everything is cleaned out. It looks so much better. And I know once I put the fresh layer of compost, at least 3 inches, it's gonna look beautiful, fresh, clean, and sleek, and very simple. I cannot wait. So this is just like phase 1. I also have 2 more garden beds that I need to clean out, so those videos will be coming. It feels so good putting videos out again. Also, I'll be announcing the winner for the bulb giveaway. I did not forget you guys. I'll be announcing the winner for the bulb giveaway in my next video. So until then, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye, guys.